How to enable and use vehicle motion cues in iOS 18 on your iPhone. For that, first of all, check if you have updated your system or not. Make sure that you have version iOS 18. Then, hit on the settings to set vehicle motion cues. Simply tap on the settings and then scroll down. There you will see accessibility option. From here, simply tap on it. Once you go through the accessibility, there you will see motion option. You have to tap on that. If you have iOS 18 version, then there you will see vehicle motion option. You have to simply toggle it on. Since iOS 18 is not available in my region, so this feature is also not available. Make sure that you have iOS 18 before using this feature. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.